In this video, we will show you how to change desktop background on macOS Sonoma. To change your desktop background, you can just right click on your desktop, okay, and select change wallpaper. In here, you can using the dynamic wallpaper or wallpaper by macOS, or you can just choose your own photo by clicking this and select choose. And in here, you can find your folder. For example, this is my folder, and you can double click on your photo. Then you successfully change the desktop background with your own photo. And that's all tutorial how to change desktop background with your own photo on macOS Sonoma. Hope this video helpful for you.